Welcome to the technologycloset.com and our quick shots. In this quick shot, we're going to show you how you can use the built-in firewall in Windows 8 to block outgoing and or incoming communications between applications and their distant servers. Primarily, we're looking at blocking outgoing from the application, not the incoming. To do that, we need to start with the desktop. Open Control Panel. In the Control Panel, select System and Security. On the right side, we want to select Windows Firewall. On the left side of this screen, select Advanced Settings. Now, what we have on the left-hand column here is you see inbound rules, outbound rules. We want to select outbound rules. Before we do that, I want to demonstrate what we're going to do with this outbound rule. First, let's go back to the start screen. I have a piece of software, a word processor, that actually communicates with its server on loading. This is not bad, but I want to demonstrate how it can be blocked. Right mouse click on the desktop, select the application, in this case the Kingsoft Writer. When we open this writer, two tabs open up, a blank document tab and a home page tab. This home page tab gathers all this free information on this particular application, but it also calls home to get this information. I would like to block this. I have to know where this application is located. Let me close it down. We're going to go with back to our firewall setting. Outbound rules is highlighted. Select Action. New rule. We are going to use the firewall to block a program. Select Next. We need to find the path to the program, so we're going to use the Browse button. I'm browsing to the Kingsoft Office 6 directory, finding the particular program that is the word processor, and I'm going to open it. That will fill in the location information in the path. Select Next. We're going to, by default, block the connection outbound. Select Next. Select these are default settings for the rule to apply. We're going to select all of them as default. Next. I'm going to name this. I'm just going to call it WP for word processor. Select Finish. Now let me get back to that screen so you can see it. Now you'll notice here that we have a new outbound rule with a red circle and a red slash through it. And it also tells me that it's enabled and that its action is to block. Let's close this down. Now let's open up our word processor again. So I need to go back to the start screen. Right mouse click. Select All Apps. Select the writer. Open it. As you can see, it opens up with two tabs. But look at the second tab. It's being blocked from calling home. And therefore, it cannot receive the update that we saw earlier. If I go to my document, I now can create the document. I know that for a fact that this particular program will not outbound information about my document or my usage of this program without my express condition. And that means I have to go back to the firewall and disable it. Let's do that. I'm going to close that down, open up Control Panel again, System and Security, Firewall, Advanced Settings, outbound rules, I'm going to highlight the WP, my word processor, and I'm going to come over here to the right and I'm going to delete it. Close down the Firewall Advanced Security. Go back to Start Screen, right mouse click, select All Apps, open up my word processor, and as you can see now, it has been able to call home and retrieve its data. Well, that completes this quick shot. Please visit our website at thetechnologycloset.com, and while you're there, please check out our YouTube channel. Until next time.